Hi, so I'm excited to bring you another use case of the Syntropy Stack. So today we're going with gaming again, and we're going to be showcasing you how to create a CSGO pickup game match using the Syntropy network and a Discord bot. So again, we're going to start using a Azure virtual machine with a Syntropy agent pre-installed. So we're going to use the Syntropy golden image. I'm going to create the VM in North Europe, and I'm going to choose a basic A2 size. I'm going to input my SSH public key so I can SSH into the machine, and then everything else should be pretty standard, so I just press create. After it runs its final validation, it could take a while, but I'll have to enter my preferred email address and phone number, so this will differ for your case, but I'm entering my work email. And then after you do that, you can just press create, and Azure will automatically create a Syntropy enabled virtual machine. So after this finishes, we can show you how to set up the Syntropy Discord bot. As we can see, I already have the virtual machine running. I just copy its public IP address so I can connect to it. And after verifying my public key, I'll be able to create a Syntropy agent token. So we can do that on the Syntropy platform. It's very easy. All we have to do is log in, go to the agent tokens, press new agent token, input the agent token name. So I'm just calling my CSGO Pug Games, and enter the expiration date. And then we can press copy to clipboard, and then enter that agent token into the installation. We'll also need to input the CIDR subnet for the Docker network on this machine. It's going to automatically deploy the Syntropy net agent. It could take a while, but it should be pretty fast on your machines. After that, we can copy the Syntropy CSGO bot or git clone it. I'm going to copy it. I already have my environment variables set up, but these are as always in the GitHub repository. I'll create a virtual environment. Just need to input the environment directory. This will enable easier installation of the dependencies that are needed for this Discord bot. And after we create the virtual environment, we can activate it using the command source. After we activate it, we'll be able to install the Discord dependencies using the command mentioned in the README. After the installation is done, we can use sudo usermod to add our user to the Docker group, so we can perform Docker operations in this machine, and we'll also have to relog to make these changes permanent. So we activate the virtual environment again, and we pull the CSGO container. This is done because the CSGO server takes quite a lot of space, and this is just a first time run to download the CSGO server from the Valve server. So this can take about an hour, maybe less, so I'll come back when it's done. So as we can see, the installation has finished, and we can launch our Discord bot by just using python-bot.py. After the bot is ready, we can type the command into our Discord server called .cinematch, create, and the player names. So as we can see, there's log outputs on what the Discord bot is doing. I've already set up a launch script for the Syntropy agent, so it will also be possible to use this example with the upcoming Windows Syntropy app. So as you can see, we have launched the Syntropy agent, and now we're waiting for the bot to see me coming onto the network. It automatically creates a CSGO container. It creates a Syntropy network, which is one of the main features of this Discord bot, and then it notifies all of the players in the match with their configuration. So as you can see, we got the server IP, and we can connect to it using the CSGO client. So let me just launch it here. Yeah, so when the CSGO client is launched, we can log into the server either using the community servers feature. I'll just need to copy the IP here, or we can do that using the developer console. So I just type in connect and space the server IP. The first connection will take a little bit longer because the network has to set up. However, when we log in, it will work as a usual competitive CSGO server. So an additional feature is that we have set up this automatic server creation with a pug server mod. So what it does, it automatically allows for the connected players to set up a real competitive tournament style match. So if we see when we load into the game, I'll be able to type in a command that allows me to change the rules of the game. So let me just join the counter-terrorist team, and you can see it's a bit lagging because of the recording, but I'm in the server and I type .setup. As you can see, I can pick all the rules, press 1, and the tournament is automatically set up by the CSGO server. So I think this is a nice example, and we can see what it looks like on the platform UI. As we can see, I have all of my endpoints here, and the network, which is automatically set up, is here. As we can see, all of the players would be connected to the CSGO Syntropy server. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll be able to do something awesome with this integration.